Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. In today's recipe, I'm going to be making a cheese and broccoli soup, which is a personal favorite of mine. It's great because it's full of flavor, but it's also hearty and thick. So, if you want some of that, let's get started. So our ingredients include 12 ounces of fresh broccoli, 2 medium carrots peeled and chopped, 1 medium yellow onion chopped, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 bay leaves, 2 cups of half and half, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee, and a 1/4 cup of salted butter. So putting this all together, I'm going to add the ghee to a deep pot over medium heat. Once melted, I'm adding the chopped onions and sauteing them until they're soft and translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add the garlic and continue to saute with the onions for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next is the butter. I'm melting this down as part of the roux for the soup. Now I'm adding the flour and consistently whisking this together for about a minute or 2. Then I'm going to slowly pour in about half of the chicken broth and whisk that together. Then I'll add in the rest and repeat this step. From there, I'm adding the half and half and whisking as I pour. I'm going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and continuously whisk to get out any flour lumps. Finally, I'll add the carrots and the broccoli and give this a mix. Now I'll cover and let it simmer on a low or medium-low heat for about 10 minutes, giving the soup a chance to thicken and the vegetables to be tender. Before I finish this recipe off in the blender, I'm removing the bay leaves I added with the chicken broth. So putting my soup in the blender, I'm adding the last of my ingredients, which is the salt, paprika, and cheese. From here, I'm blending the soup until a smooth texture is reached. And this is what the soup looks like right out of the blender. But before I eat this, I'm adding diced broccoli and shredded cheese on top to create my desired chunky soup. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on our recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for more, head on over to my channel or take a quick peek at the videos above. Until next time, bye.